Well, hello folks. We are still cleaning up the last of the video from the trip out west. And about the time we finish it up, we'll probably be headed out there again. We went from Quartzite, Arizona, over to California, Joshua Tree, and then up to the Sequoia National Park. But they wouldn't let me up by the trees because they said there was snow up there and I didn't have tire chains. So I'll have to get tire chains for the next time up there. Though I don't know that I'll be up there in the winter again. Too much going on at home during winter to be gone, I guess. But we went after Sequoia National Park. We went over through Nevada to Red Rocks, and then one of the many springs in the Zion Park. One over there. This is the Virgin River through the canyon. It's a nice little river. It's got some floodplains next to it, and this is the Narrows, which is the part of the canyon that is really narrow, and there was ice on it, so they wouldn't let people go down there. It was closed. These are some of the big escarpments that are in the canyon that everybody swoons about, and the sides of the walls of the canyon. A lot of there's a road that goes up and over outside the park. We took that, and you can see this arch. It's not really an arch because it's not, you can't see through it, but it's kind of an arch. If you look at the top of the wall, it's white. That's sandstone. This is the historic tunnel window. It's the historic tunnel goes through the mountain there and up and out of the canyon, and that's a big opening in the tunnel. I don't know if that was planned or if they did that by mistake. These are this is from on the top of the road after you've gone through the tunnel. There's a lot of trails up there, and it's supposedly the best place to see bighorn sheep and mountain goats and everything else. Oh, this is the sand caves, and the this is another park that was down near Hurricane, Utah, that we stopped at. We got out of there just in time for dark. Go back to Zion. Zion, you can only go in the door once. If you go out, you have to pay again. There's no, they don't give you a ticket. They don't give you anything that says you've paid. If you have the lifetime pass like I have it, you can get back in with that because that makes it free to enter. But they were asking people that were on motorcycles that went into town for lunch or something, they were asking them for money. So it's not free. And there are a lot of spires and mountains like this, and they have names. They call them different places. They call them the chapel or the court, and it's pretty interesting. But personally, for me, it wasn't really very exciting. And this is